Here comes a cool part where we design our web pages on our website, and also where you unleash your creativity and show us your creative side. So here we're gonna discover different creative techniques, trends for designing your website. So eventually guys, you can apply these techniques on your specific niche or simply customize them to your websites and your business needs. So for example, you can take that layout and customize it according to your business or your website's niche. And of course, you'll find all these design elements in your resources, so you can reuse them in your website, or even you will know how to design your website according to your visuals and your taste. So anyway, this is gonna be our homepage. We have a hero section, including that photo in here, and I'm gonna tell you in a second how to create a similar design. Then scrolling down, we have other sections within our website, a cool section like that, including a nice and cool effect in our heading, as you can see. Then here we have another dynamic part within our website, including PNG image without background. And as you can see, background is moving when we scroll our mouse. Then we have a testimonial section, which you can customize according to your needs. Then here we have an opt-in form in our website, so you can collect your clients and visitors' emails and start marketing for your services and products through email campaigns. Then here we have contacts and location section within our website. And remember guys, everything here is customizable, so if you don't have a location, you don't have to insert Google Maps for example. Then here we have our footer section, which looks clean and creative as you can see. And also need to keep in consideration our website's responsiveness and how it will look like on different devices. So it's really recommended before we start that you download that amazing browser as well. It's called Blisk, and you will find the link for that one in your resources, where you can click in here to see different devices, how it will look like maybe on iPhone, Samsung, and different tablets as well, and different screen sizes as well for desktops. So for example, MacBook Pro Retina display 15-inch, you can select that one. So you can hover your mouse in here and start scrolling your website to see how it looks like. So in the beginning, don't worry about checking your website either in tablets or mobile devices. You may check different screen sizes from here. And later I'm gonna show you guys how to customize your website for tablet devices or mobiles. But this is just a helpful tool to keep in your arsenal before we start designing our website. Though probably I can be designing in Chrome, but every now and then I might be checking in here as well, so I can imagine how my design will look on different screen sizes. So now let's go ahead and start designing our main section in our homepage, or that first section of your website.